Hi there, in this video we will look at how to make an animated GIF using Canva. So to get started, you'll want to use either a video template or the animated social media template. Anything will work, really. I have one started down here already using the video template. And really any video could be saved as in GIF format in Canva. So I could do something as simple as, say, make a screen recording and upload it, and then drag and drop it onto here and then save in GIF format. That is a thing that I could do. I'm actually going to try something a little more complicated, but still really easy. So what I've done is upload this map of the Roman Empire. And what I want to demonstrate to my students is Julius Caesar's movement across the Rubicon into Rome. But I want to make it visually appealing and easy to understand. So rather than use an arrow, I think I'm going to do something fun and put this little statue of Caesar on here. But obviously the background is distracting, so I'm going to click Edit Photo. And then you can use this BG background remover to remove the background. And now I'm just going to shrink him down a little bit because he's a little too big. And let's just plop him up here in Gaul where he started. Okay, great. So now I'm ready to add the animation. So what I'll do is I have selected the image, and now I'm going to choose the animate option from this menu here. And they have a whole bunch of built-in animations, so I can literally just choose one of those. But in this case, I actually have a specific motion I want to have him do. So I'm going to choose this one up here, create an animation where I can draw where he's going to go. So all I have to do now is hold down on the object and move it. He's going to go across the Rubicon. Here he goes. Come down along here and then end up in Rome. And there's my animation. Great. This is all I want in my GIF because I'm going to insert it into a Google Doc. I like the original movement, but I can change the motion or the speed. But now I'm all done. So the last step is to go to Share. And where it says Download, the default is going to be video, but I'm going to switch this to GIF, short clip, no sound, and save. This will take a few minutes once you hit download. I have one already created so I can show you how easy it is to insert it into things. So here is my downloaded GIF. I can literally just drag and drop it, and as you can see, there is Caesar crossing the Rubicon. So super easy to make an animated GIF in Canva.